Today we're making oven-dried strawberries. They're naturally sweet, chewy, and taste a lot like strawberry candy. This simple method concentrates the flavor and makes a perfect healthy snack. For this recipe, you'll only need fresh strawberries and grapefruit or another citrus fruit. The citrus helps bring out the sweetness and keeps the strawberries looking bright. Start by cutting off the green tops of the strawberries. Don't throw those away, save the tops for smoothies so nothing goes to waste. Next, slice the strawberries into thin pieces. The thinner the slices, the better they dry and the nicer the final texture. Place the slices in a bowl and squeeze a little grapefruit juice over them. Then gently stir so the slices are lightly coated. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Spread the strawberry slices out in a single layer so they're not overlapping. Bake them in the oven for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, flip the slices. This helps them dry evenly on both sides. Then return them to the oven and bake for another hour or until finished. You'll know that they're ready when there is very little moisture left. They should feel dry and slightly chewy, not wet or juicy. If they feel sticky or soft, just bake them a little longer. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. They will firm up more as they cool. These are perfect for snacking and honestly taste like natural strawberry Twizzlers. You can add them to trail mix, granola, or cereal, or just enjoy them as a quick snack. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes. You can find the full recipe on mindfullyhealthyliving.com. Until next time.